National ID supplier appeals contract termination, warns of rollout delays. Ito ay article ng GMA News Online. Painom muna ako. Natuto yan ng aking dila. O ngayon na, pagtuhaw at pagtuyot, uminom ng tubig! Para hindi nahahawa, Diyos ko. Joke lang. Okay, balikan natin tong ating next topic. National ID supplier appeals contract termination, warns of rollout delays. Ito ay article ng GMA News Online. Allcard Inc. Ay, kay Villar to. Charis. The company contracted by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP for the printing of Philippine Identification System or PLCs or national ID cards is appealing the termination of its contract with the central bank, saying it has complied with its obligations. So, ang BSP ay nag-cancel or nag-terminate ng contract nila with Allcard for printing of national ID cards. Pero sinasabi dito na nag-comply naman daw ang Allcard. Sinasabi ng Allcard Inc. So, ba't tatanggalin? Ba't i-terminate ang kanilang ang kontrata? In a motion for the sorry. Ulit. In a motion for reconsideration addressed by the BSP's Monetary Board, ACI said it has diligently complied with the contractual obligations set forth in the Lot 1 contract as per the BSP's technical specifications and terms of reference. So, sinasabi naman ng ACI na complied and tamang okay naman yung ginagawa nila as per BSP's terms. Dagdag pa ng ACI, we have provided the necessary equipment, technical and maintenance support personnel, and conducted training for BSP and Philippine Statistics Authority personnel as required. So, nakapag-training din ang mga tauhan to para mapadali yung pag-print ng mga national ID. Diyos ko naman, yung akin nga, wala pa. In a motion, hindi, sinabi ko na yan. In a termination notice seen by GMA News Online, the BSP in a decision dated August 15 cited several reasons such as failure to deliver any or all of the goods specified in the contract amounting to more than 10% of the contract price and failure to perform other obligations under the contract. So sinasabi naman ng BSP na hindi nila na-deliver yung kailangan. So, sino ba talaga ang mali? 4 na taon na yung national ID! Diyos ko! It was also indicated that as of June 30, 2024, the cumulative liquidated damages due from ACI have reached more than 10% of the contract price. So, mas tumaas ng 10% yung presyo base dun sa kontrata. Ayun. Okay. However, ACI said that the decision to terminate our contract may stem from erroneous information or report. So, baka naman haka-haka lang yung mga balitang nalalaman ng BSP, sabi ng ACI. The company said that the termination may be based on inaccurate or incomplete information given that there has been no breach of contract. So, moron haka-haka nga lang daw. Dagdag ng ACI, we respectfully request a comprehensive review of our performance under the contract. So, para masabi nila na hindi naman talaga sila nagbe-breach ng contract, i-review nyo na lang yung ginagawa nila. Yun yung sinasabi dito ng ACI. The company said it was tasked with producing 116 million national ID cards. ACI, nasaan na yung binabasa ko ito? ACI warned that the contract termination could severely disrupt the rollout and distribution of the IDs, which are crucial for national security and public service. Tama! Actually, disrupted na! 4 na taon na yung akin, wala pa! Gusto! Anyare, Pilsis! Anyare, BSP! Ito sabi ng ACI. Grabe yung galit, eh. The termination of the contract will have significant adverse effects on the production and distribution of 116 million Philippine identification cards, as this project is vital for national security and public service, and its disruption may cause delays that could affect millions of Filipinos. Actually, affected na nga kami! Ang tagal nung ID! Yung digital national ID nyo, hindi naman tinatanggap! Diyos ko! Moreover, ACI said the decision to terminate the contract will lay waste to approximately 60 million already produced cards, resulting in substantial financial loss and inefficiencies. So, maaari daw magwaldas pa ng pera dito ang BSP. Ito sabi ni ACI President Roy Ebora, "We are taken aback by the Monetary Board's decision to terminate the contract. This move is not only unjust and unfair, but also detrimental to the smooth implementation of Republic Act 11055. Dagdag pa niya to. Tama ba? Tama. Dagdag pa niya. "The abrupt termination of our contract with the BSP casts uncertainty over the future of National ID project, potentially causing significant delays in the issuance of IDs that millions of Filipinos depend on for access to essential services." Dagdag pa niya, "Allcard has been steadfast partner in the printing of national ID cards since 2020. We humbly appeal to the BSP to allow us to finish the job and to honor the contract." So, sinasabi ng Allcard na sana patapusin nyo naman kami. In a text message to GMA News Online, BSP Governor Eli Remolona Jr. said that the contract is subject to a pending arbitration between BSP and ACI. Ito ang sabi ni Remolona. "In light of the confidentiality of arbitration, BSP is prohibited from disclosing matters relating to the proceedings." So, wala mo ng disclosure ng mga information. Yun lang sabi niya. So, ano masasabi niyo mga kaibigan sa napakatagal na ID tapos mag-terminate pa ng contract? Gusto naman. Comment down below.